Imagine your loved one lying on the floor, untouched and uncared for, while critical minutes pass.
What happens before the truck arrives can change everything. A no-touch policy denies care residents life-preserving assistance such as CPR and lift assistance after a fall.
This heartless yet prevalent practice strips people of their basic human dignity and sometimes their lives. It can also prevent their wishes from being carried out.
Residents with a do not resuscitate order can receive CPR by first responders because documentation of their wishes is not made available when we arrive on scene.
Residents of assisted living facilities, group homes, skilled nursing facilities, and continuing care retirement communities
are resuscitated against their will due to this lack of critical information at time of need.
We deserve facilities that are responsible, accountable, and obligated to provide quality care for all. Existing laws in Arizona must change.
Rightcare is committed to demanding policy change to save lives and affect outcome for Arizonans.
we all deserve better.
We all deserve the right care.